Hello again. So far in the course, we laid the groundwork and set some basic definitions about online pseudonyms. In this episode, we will introduce what we call the big table of actors. This is not an official term or anything like that. It's just a name we came up with for two reasons: because it is big and because it is a table. The big table of actors presents 5 types of actors you are going to encounter online. For each one, we will examine how they try to obtain your personal information and what they use it for. This table is not an exhaustive list. It is more of a broad overview to set your thinking in this direction. Please note that we have intentionally left the last 2 rows empty, namely the rows about how online pseudonyms protect you from these actors, and how they do not. In the following sections of the course, we will dive deep into online pseudonyms, taking a practical approach to them. The information to fill out the last 2 rows will come out naturally from what we have learned in these episodes. At the end of the course, we will come back to the big table of actors and fill out the missing information. To make things easier to present, we have split the big table into 5 separate episodes. In each episode, we will present one of the types of actors. Let's go! The first type of actors we are going to talk about are the websites you interact with in your daily life, like hobby websites, forums, news outlets, shopping sites, various online services, and all others. Here, we are talking about the standalone websites, which are not part of a larger ecosystem. Their main goal is to present interesting content and keep you engaged with it for as long as possible. These websites are looking for your personal information like name, age, sometimes address or card information, if there is payments involved. They track your engagement with the websites, the pages you open, how long you spent on them, where you click. Also, the posts and comments you make, your purchases, and any other actions you may perform. Websites obtain the data they are looking for in 2 ways. First, you provide it yourself. When you register, you give your name, age, address, payment cards, and so on. You also share posts, make comments, place orders, upload photos. In addition, websites are instrumented with frameworks which automatically store interactions like clicks or page views. These frameworks can build statistics and metrics of your activity on the website. Now that we have listed what information websites are looking for and how they obtain it, let us talk about the ways they use this information. First, the websites try to increase your interest and the time you spend on them. This is by providing more engaging content based on your behavior. It sounds innocent at first, and even actually kind of nice, that you will have more interesting things to read and do. But in reality, it usually leads to wasting your time with doom scrolling through all the flashy and clickbaity articles. Second, websites run promotions or marketing campaigns. Based on your behavior and interests, you may start receiving an avalanche of emails with quote-unquote hard-to-miss promotions. These promotions will be tailored to the interests you exhibited while browsing the given website. Third, websites can straight away just sell the information they have gathered on you to third parties. And there is no guarantee what these third parties do with the information. They may use it directly or resell it. One type of actors who buy customer data from websites are the so-called data brokers. They are the next column in our big table.